County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near Haltom City, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Richland Hills and North Richland Hill around 4:35 p.m. Hurst and Colleyville around 4:50 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clay County in northern Texas, southeastern Wichita County in northern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shepherd Air Force Base, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wichita Falls, Petrolia, Dean, Jolly, Shepherd Air Force Base, and Cashin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.